Employees' progress, including salary/allowance increments, must be recorded for the employee's career path. Go to the admin page. Click Payroll. Specify the period, usually this year can be selected. Click Employee Progress. Select the employee from this list. Note that all employees must first be added under Add/Edit Employee. Upon selection, the latest basic salary and allowance will be shown. The performance gauges will be displayed after a few seconds. L indicates whether emergency leaves had been taken. The more emergency leaves taken, the lesser this score will be. MC indicates whether medical leaves had been taken. The more medical leaves taken, the lesser this score will be. The more unpaid leaves taken, the lesser this score will be. Any penalties added via Manage Staff's penalties or here an employee's progress will reduce this score. This shows the percentage of patients seen that have complete demographic data saved. For example, patients with no emergency contacts or address saved are considered to have incomplete demographic data. This shows the percentage of patients seen that have chief complaints stated during registration. This shows the percentage of patients seen that have diagnosis saved. This shows the percentage of patients seen that have all vital signs saved, e.g. BP, height, weight. This score will reduce accordingly whenever inventory purchases increases too much without sales increase. Any dispensed item without batch number saved will reduce this score. This shows the average assessment scores by the supervisors. If no assessment is available, this will show 0. Whenever there is late punch-in, later than 5 minutes from the roster start time, or early leaving, earlier than 5 minutes from the roster end time, this score will reduce. Whenever there is absence, if no attendance is punched in when roster is present, this score will reduce. This the final score, average of all scores. Clicking on the score gauge will show details when applicable. Clicking Load Global will load all employees' scores total. This is all employees' scores total, reflective of the clinic's overall score. The wages statement for the employee can be displayed by clicking Statement. This is the wages statement for the employee. The EA form for this employee can be generated by specifying the year and clicking EA form. The employee's EA form. Users can only view and download last 6 months' payslips. Older payslips can only be provided by the HR administrator by clicking List Payslips here. The payslips will be listed here. The employee's progress is recorded under Record Progress. To record a progress, specify the date here. These are the progress types. Note that for any changes to salaries/allowances, do not edit the starting basic/allowances, but add the new salary/allowances progress here. The payroll will then follow the latest salary/allowances saved here. To add salary increment, select Basic Pay Review and enter the new salary under New Basic Pay. Specify the approver under Approved By and Remarks/Notes under Notes. And click Save to save this progress. The saved progress will be listed here. Progress cannot be edited once saved. If changes are required, delete the progress by clicking Delete and re-enter the progress. For change to allowances, select Allowance Review. Again, for any changes to salaries/allowances, do not edit the starting basic/allowances, but add the new salary/allowances progress here. Enter the new allowance scheme here. Note that to maintain any previous allowances, the allowance must be entered again under the respective allowance type. Leaving the allowance type empty is considered a zero allowance for that type. In this example, allowance A and allowances CJ are considered 0. Specify the approver under Approved by in Remarks/Notes under Notes. And click Save to save this progress. The saved progress will be listed here. Progress cannot be edited once saved. If changes are required, delete the progress by clicking Delete and re-enter the progress. Horizontal promotion is promotion without changes to salary or allowances. It is good practice to record any trainings that the employees attend. If any monetary award/reward is given to the employee, avoid adding under Others in the payroll. Instead, add the award/reward as progress here, and this amount will be automatically included as salary in the payroll. Warnings should also be recorded as progress. Penalties should be added under Manage Staff's penalties so that it will be reflected as incentives deductions. Adding penalties here will reduce the salary and may lead to disputes. This is Manage Staff's penalties to manage penalties that are reflected in the incentives. The penalties can be specified by month and category. Each category will deduct 25% of the incentives for the month. If all 4 categories are selected, 100% of the incentives for the month will be deducted. Annual bonus can also be recorded as progress, and will be automatically filled in the month's payroll. Let's see how the award and reward affect the payroll. Any award, reward or bonus recorded as progress will be automatically added in the month's payroll. In this example, RM100 award has been added to the RM2000 basic salary, bringing the total salary to RM2100. That's it. You're done.